This is Eric from Traders Helping Traders with this week's Tricks of the Trade. Well, if you've been trading for any time at all, you'll have noticed that the market trends in these little zigzag type patterns. Some people call them waves. It really doesn't matter how you refer to them. It's a simple fact that the market has a tendency to rally or to fall off for a period of time and then adjust itself or normalize its price before falling off again. By and large, moves like this provide us with the greatest trading opportunities. But what do you do when you encounter a runaway market? This isn't so much of a problem for position traders because of the time frame. The market usually takes a little bit longer to get from A to B, and as such there's some consolidation along the way. But day traders, when you're trading a 5-minute chart, it's not uncommon to have the market just take off on you. Case in point, here is the June E-mini from a few days ago, when the market was making such volatile moves in both directions. And this was across the board, pretty much in any market you looked at. You can see here that the market made a huge move to the downside. Actually, it started way up here, and with the exception of this one green bar, it was pretty much a steady move to the downside, and we would have had no chance whatsoever to get into that trade. So that's a little bit upsetting. It's a big move after all. But let me show you what is likely to happen after a big trade. After a big move like this, without any zigzag, without any pullbacks, the market will bounce a little bit before attempting another push lower. So let's play this forward a few bars, and you can see that in fact the market is pulling back somewhat as prices try to normalize. And then you can see that once again we have resistance forming, and the market is now attempting to move lower. But here's the catch. Because of this rather violent move to the downside, more often than not, you will see this attempted push lower fail. Therefore, we know we have resistance above where the market left off, so we can look to buy a breakout above that resistance level in anticipation of this continued move to the short side to fail. Let's play it forward and see how it happens. And you can see that in actual fact, that's exactly what the market does. It responds with a major pullback, and you will see this time and again. So the next time the market runs away on you, don't despair. Hang on for that second attempt to either move the market higher or lower, and then get ready to go in the opposite direction, above the resistance or below the support. And that's this week's Tricks of the Trade.